So you're going to pick one plant or one cutting or one of the edible seed type things each round, and then go back to your spot. And then we'll probably do 3 rounds and then see what's left at that point.
To get so much stuff. Well, this one's my favorite. I had to get this one the first time because it's a pitcher plant. You can't really buy these in stores, and I need something for a terrarium, so.
We always go to the seed exchange like every year, but this is my first time going to the plant exchange, and it's like awesome. I'm so happy. I don't have a monstera yet, so my favorite was my first pick, which is this beautiful monstera over here. Yeah, I've just adored it for a while from afar.